Welcome to the edge of a digital revolution where traditional media boundaries are vanishing forever. A modern creator stands in a sunlit room, holding a sleek smartphone to record a genuine product story. This is the booming industry of AI-assisted user-generated content, or UGC. Small business owners and creative freelancers are no longer fighting for a seat at the corporate table. They are building their own empires using high-tech artificial intelligence as a silent co-pilot. A glowing neural network visualization stretches across the screen to represent the brain of modern technology. For decades, expensive advertising agencies dictated what we watched and what we bought with massive budgets. Old-fashioned television commercials and grainy archival footage of marketing boardrooms show a world that used to be. But the arrival of social media and affordable mobile devices sparked a fire of human authenticity. A high-speed montage of diverse people from different cultures shows the true face of the global internet. Trust has become the most valuable currency in the current digital economy. A split-screen comparison reveals a glossy professional ad next to a raw and honest handheld video review. The viewer instinctively leans toward the relatable person sharing a real human experience. Enter the sophisticated world of AI-assisted tools that transform a simple video into a cinematic masterpiece. A jewelry maker in a bright workshop carefully polishes a sparkling silver necklace under warm lights. She records a short video describing her passion and the intricate details of her handmade craft. In the past, complex video editing software and steep learning curves were massive barriers for beginners. An overwhelmed person stares at a cluttered computer screen with too many complicated buttons and menus. Today, an AI-enabled creative platform like Pictory analyzes the raw footage to find the perfect highlights. A clean user interface shows a digital timeline where clips say. The software adds captivating text captions that flow smoothly across the bottom of the frame. A library of upbeat background music tracks offers the ideal emotional tone for the jewelry story. Sarah, our hardworking artisan, smiles as her simple phone recording turns into a professional marketing asset. This technological leap levels the playing field for every dreamer with a unique perspective. A rising bar graph shows small creators gaining more influence than traditional multi-billion-dollar brands. Consumers are tired of being sold to by faceless corporations and scripted actors. They want to see a real person unboxing a new electronic gadget in a messy living room. Honest first impressions and genuine facial expressions build a bridge of confidence between creator and audience. Artificial intelligence handles the boring technical tasks like noise reduction and color correction. A pair of hands moves quickly across a tablet screen as AI filters sharpen the image and clear the sound. This allows the creator to focus entirely on their original message and artistic vision. UGC is not just about selling products. It is about sharing the vast human experience across the globe. A traveler films a breathtaking mountain landscape during a golden sunrise in the remote wilderness. A home cook shares a secret family recipe while steam rises from a delicious simmering pot on the stove. A fitness enthusiast demonstrates a challenging workout routine in a neighborhood park under a clear blue sky. An enthusiastic teacher uses a large whiteboard to explain a complex scientific theory to students. Global brands are now reaching out to these everyday storytellers for authentic partnerships. A corporate social media page features a collection of customer videos instead of high-budget studio films. The data shows that community-driven content generates higher engagement and faster business growth. Marketing professionals are shifting their focus from broadcast reach to meaningful personal connections. The future of media is decentralized and powered by the collective imagination of billions of people. An illuminated globe of the Earth shows glowing lines of light connecting creators from every continent. Artificial intelligence is the powerful engine that unchains the potential of every human voice. The screen fades to a final shot of a person ready to press the record button on their camera. The world is waiting to hear your unique story and see your creative spark. It is time to step into the light and join the era of AI-assisted UGC.